guys! Meron tayong bagong parcel na i-unwrap guys. Ayan, what is this? Right, eto na ang ating pinakahihintay. What is this? Naka buy one take one siya guys. OMG! This is what? So ayun na siya guys. The long-awaited dried fresh mango. Naka-buy one, take one siya, guys. So, titikman na natin, guys. Pure flavor, okay? At least, kung hindi mo pa siya maubos sa isang upuan, pwede mo pa siyang itabi. And, ay, wow. Ang lalaki ng ano niya, guys. Ang lalaki ng chop. 100 grams, guys, isang pack nito. Uhusgahan na natin, guys. And guys, nakikita niyo naman, further this dried mango. And this is very healthy. Tikman na natin. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Iba siya compare sa mga nabibili natin outside. It's really made from premium manga. My daughter will also love this, for sure. Ayun. Ang daughter, okay. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. Ilang upo ang ganyan. It's really yummy. Dried mango perfect snack. Ang galing na pagkagawa. I love it. Nice one. Perfect snack talaga guys. Order now, click dito mapibili. Sarap. Perfect dessert. Sabihin nyo na guys habang nakasale pa. Buy one take one. Okay?